air intake valve right here. Good day guys, Abners Reviews here, back with another unboxing, and today we're going to present to you the Intex swim ring. Okay, so the Intex swim ring has different designs. So what we got here are the fish design right there, as you can see from the packaging. Of course, there's the Intex branding on the top. And for measurements, this measures 20 inches in diameter or 51 centimeters. We have international representations for the product right there. Let us continue with our unboxing. Okay, so here we have our Intex swim ring. So you'll notice that beautiful design, that print right there. And of course, these swim rings from Intex are designed with a clear top right here. So these designs are printed on a clear 7G vinyl. It looks that modern in terms of the design. And as I mentioned earlier, it is 20 inches in diameter. So this should be good for kids aging 3 to 6 years old. They should have lots of fun with this. And I think this is our, on this part right here, is our air intake valve right here. What are we waiting for? Let's inflate our Intex swim ring. Wow! Okay, as you can see there, that is our Intex swim ring, all inflated. That really looks good. So as I mentioned earlier, the design is printed on a clear vinyl right there. So as you see, this print has a shadow down there because it's clear. It's printed on clear 7G vinyl, 20 inches in diameter, so it's not that big. It is really a small version for kids, so I'm sure your kids will love it and they will have tons and tons of hours of fun with it. So there you go guys, with our quick unboxing and review of the Intex swim ring, the fish design. So again, if you like our video today, please do not forget to like and comment on our video. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to Abners Reviews. Do not forget to click the notification bell so you'll get notified when we upload another video. Also follow us on our social media links right here. That's been it. This is Abners Reviews. I will catch you guys on the next one.